All right, here's how to get two date filters that interact with each other in Looker Studio. So I've got this nice dashboard here. You can actually learn how to build this if you take our Looker Studio Advanced course. And I've got a date range dimension here. Pretty standard, nothing crazy. What this controls is the transaction date for everything. So let me get to a more simple page here. And so you can see in here, if I open up properties, you can see I've got just the one date range dimension that's being impacted, right? It's the transaction date. I want transaction date and delivery date to impact this quantity. So I've got this date range control, and you can add a second date range control, but they just end up fighting with each other because, of course, there's only one field in here. So what you end up having to do is get a little bit creative, and none of these other drop downs or filters work really. So you have to go with a drop down list. And what you end up doing is, I'm going to add a delivery date here. If you make this delivery date, I recommend having it still interact with the date range control. Now you can select a date range from the date range control, and then you can select individual days from here. And so you can see we'll get, down to 97 here, etc. So that's the sort of a shortcut and cheat code of how to get two dates to interact with the same visual.